Is your home in need of a makeover? Don't worry, because in this video, we're going to talk about renovation loans and how you can finance your home renovation project in Australia. Renovating your home can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be expensive. That's where renovation loans come in. So, how do renovation loans work? Well, they are specifically designed to provide you with the funds you need to renovate or improve your property. There are different types of renovation loans available. One popular option is a line of credit loan, which allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit and use it as needed for your renovation project. Another option is a construction loan, which is specifically for larger renovation projects that involve significant structural changes or additions to your property. Now, let's talk about some tips and ways to finance your home renovation. First, it's important to create a detailed renovation plan and budget. This will help you understand the scope of your project and estimate the costs involved. Next, shop around and compare different renovation loan options from various lenders. Look for competitive interest rates and loan terms that suit your needs. Consider consulting with a trusted mortgage broker to explore different financing strategies and determine the best approach for your situation. Don't forget to explore other potential funding sources, such as your savings, home equity, or even government grants or assistance programs that may be available for home renovations. Lastly, it's crucial to have a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise during your renovation. It's always better to be prepared. And there you have it. With a renovation loan and some smart financing strategies, you can turn your outdated space into a dream home. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks for creating the home of your dreams.